Summer is calling, and I'm going to get you all ready for the summer sewing ahead. Let's dive into summer-side fabrics and get busy sewing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the AGF channel. Today we'll be sewing up the Gentle Breeze block featuring Dana Willard's brand new collection for AGF called Summerside Fabrics. I'm loving all of the novelty prints, bright colors, and geometric patterns in this collection. And if you're excited about this collection as much as I am, you have to go check out my very first fabric haul video where I talk about all the prints in the collection and share with you great pure solids to mix and match with the collection. I'll leave a link to that video in the description box below. If you're a quilter, you definitely have to watch this entire video for great tips and tricks. And I'll see you at the end of the tutorial to talk about the super cute top that I made in this cute strawberry print. If you're new to our channel and love learning new quilting techniques, don't forget to subscribe below to watch more fun sewing tutorials like this one. Check out the description box below and download a printable PDF with all the cutting requirements and step-by-step instructions. To make the center of your block, take a 6.5-inch square from fabric B and C and place them right sides together. Sew around your pieces at 1/4 inch. Now cut your squares on both diagonals to reveal 4 half-square triangles. Pair your half-square triangles together with each stack facing different diagonals. Cut your half-square triangles opposite the seam line to reveal 8 triangles. You'll only need 4 of these triangles, making sure you choose the ones with the strawberry print on the right and the green popsicle on the left of the triangle. Sew your triangles to your 4.5-inch square from fabric A. Find the center of your square by folding it in half and finger pressing to make a crease. Line your triangles up with your crease mark and pin into place. Sew your triangles to your squares at 1/4 inch. Press your triangles open and repeat the same process to attach your other 2 triangles to make a block that looks like this. Square up your block to 6.5 inches. Now it's time to make the outer rows of your block. Pair a 5-inch square from fabric B and C, a pair from B and D, and another pair from E and C. Place your squares right sides together and sew around your entire squares at 1/4 inch. To reveal all your half-square triangles, cut on both diagonals and press open. Square your half-square triangles to 2.5 inches. To create your side rows, sew a BD half-square triangle to an ED half-square triangle like this. Sew these rows to the center of your block unit. Sew your remaining BD and ED half-square triangles together, just like how we created our side rows. Then sew a BC half-square triangle to each end to create your top and bottom rows. Sew your top and bottom rows to the center of your block, and your Gentle Breeze block is complete. Your Gentle Breeze block is complete. Make sure to share your quilt block creations made with AGF fabrics on social media using the hashtag AGF Quilt Block Collection. Our Gentle Breeze block is complete, and I definitely had a great time sewing up all these half-square triangles using the 4 at a time method. Now, let's talk about the perfect summer top that I made. My top is the Penelope Peplum pattern by C. Kate Sew. I'll show you the full length of the top in just a sec, but if you want to see more fun sewing projects made with summer-side fabrics, make sure to check out our new fabric lookbook. I'll add a link to the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your sewing friends. And I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, happy sewing. Out of... Shut up. Make sure to check out... Oh, lordy lord. I don't know.